Hello guys, I am Naman Krishnatri and I am from Delhi. First, we will like to talk about the education system of Philippines, and then we will come to IRMA, education. First, the thing about Philippines education system is it's very student friendly and it's very easy as compared to China and Russia, because the main thing and the main problem that students face in China and Russia is the language gap and the food, because in the colder region of the world there are not all the vegetables are not available, and whereas in Philippines you can get every vegetables and fruits. And now I'll talk about the university. The university in which I am studying is University of Perpetual Help. It's quite a good university. It's very student friendly, it's very helpful. All the deans and all the professors are up to their mark and always ready to help the students to come out and face their problem. University of Perpetual Help, the fees is like very affordable to all the kinds of and all the classes of families, so you better don't take care of it and don't compare with any other colleges, because the packages of every college is different and the perks they provide are very good here in less fees. Study now, the exam they take is like MCQ, which is very different from India. In India there is subjective type of examination, so it's better here to perform well in the exam. You can remember for a long time because it's MCQ, so you can learn very quickly. You can memorize it very quickly. Now we'll talk about IRMA. IRMA education is very helpful. It's like a guardian to us. It helps us in every moment, every steps we took. Like everybody come leaving their home, they'll miss their parents, they'll miss everything of India. But IRMA takes care of everything, food and everything, like from study purpose to personal acquisitions. They take care of everything, and you should just focus on your study. Everything else just they take care, just leave it on IRMA, because they are like second parents to us. So for 4 years you just leave everything, just study hard, focus on your study, and this everything leaves on IRMA. Yeah, there are flaws in everything, like nobody's perfect, but 50% from IRMA, 50% from us, they'll make us perfect. And you have to just understand everybody, every person of IRMA. Every person of IRMA is like your guardian. You have to just understand them, they will understand you, and then we'll make a family, and we will be a better doctor, and we'll serve not only India, Philippines, we'll serve entire world, and we'll help every needy people in our lives. Thank you.
Namal, you are the first one batch of IRMA education consultants. You are studying in AB Psychology first year, right? So will you please give some information about IRMA and other agencies?
Like there are many agencies here, like Krishna and other, but the main thing about IRMA is they are stick to their basics, they stick to their plans, they always try to help every student, each and every student. They focus on every student's lifestyle, every student's like from how their family they belong to, and so they are quite helpful in compared to other agencies, and their fee structure is quite affordable in comparison to other agency, because other agency don't have their own canteen, and plus point is they have our own canteen. But the thing is, I am a Punjabi and I belong from Delhi, so the main thing I face here is you got to eat Gujarati food. So if you are not a Gujarati, you have to just mold yourself according to the condition. But you know, it's hostel life and you got to be a doctor, so you have to mold yourself.
Thank you very much, Namal.
Thank you, sir.